Hey everyone, I wanted to create this screencast for you quickly about the comic strip project that we're currently working on. So when you upload this comic strip template into Pixlr, which is saved in the Schoology assignment page for this project, you will then want to first create your background, okay? So in each frame, I highly recommend creating the background first. Whoops. Make sure your paintbrush is selected. Make sure your layer is selected. Get the right brush size. And you can just paint in the background. Okay, so I'm just going to paint like a blue sky. This is just a little example for you. Then we get the ground. Okay, and then you can draw your characters. You can add your dialogue in this box, and then the only thing that you have to do is just fill in each of these spaces. Okay, so you only have to do these 2 pages. It doesn't have to be anything longer than that. Just make sure you have one of your characters in here. There's dialogue and somewhat of a clear story. It can be pretty simple. Just the character moving throughout, maybe saying something, having some thoughts. Nothing too complex, but feel free to make it as complex as you would like. And have fun. Thanks.